Okay, YouTubers, today we are doing a smoked meatloaf. The wife did, I think that's what?
2 pounds of hamburger.
2 pounds of hamburger. She put
Ritz crackers.
Ritz crackers.
Eggs, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, garlic, fried onions, and Parmesan cheese, and just some seasonings that we had here.
Some barbecue seasoning. Well, we're going to throw it in the smoker at 225 for about an hour or two, and then we'll bump it up to 375. We're looking for internal temperature of 155 to 160. Stay tuned. I'll show you the halfway mark. Alright, everyone, here's the end results. It was about, I don't know, 3.5, 4 hours. Got it up to internal temperature of 165. Then I put some honey sweet barbecue sauce on it. And I cranked her up to 375 to let her get tacky. Now we just let it rest for about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. And I'll have the wife cut it open.
Oh my God.
Just cut it on the edge there. Look at that.
It smells delicious.
Looks good, guys. Looks good.
Doesn't look dry either. It's juicy.
Yeah. Well, remember, like and subscribe. Leave your comments below. Until next time.